You can teleport like Nightcrawler now? Let's find out. Since we were kids, we always wondered about when technology would advance so far that we'd be able to fly like Superman or Iron Man, swim like Spider-Man, or all that stuff. For today's video, we've gathered such gadgets that would satisfy our childhood dreams and yours if you were into it. Well, without further ado, let's dive right in. First up, run fast like the Flash. For our first gadget, we have something that turns you into the Flash. If the idea of owning a jetpack isn't cool enough, imagine one that can help you run lightning fast like a real-life Flash. The battery-powered jetpack, worn like a backpack, helped one speedy test subject shave 20 seconds off his mile time. Already an impressive 5 minutes and 20 seconds. The technology was originally developed as a part of a DARPA program looking to find ways to make soldiers move faster on the battlefield, and now researchers are trying to improve performance. This is the future of where the jetpack is going. Jason Karestis, a graduate student of engineering and robotics who leads the project at Arizona State University, told Live Science, "We feel that if we can enhance that technology, we can get somebody who can run a 5.5 minute mile down to a 4-minute mile. Whether your newfound powers of super speed for good or evil, however, is up to you." Next up, X-ray vision like Superman. The next gadget revolves around the one and only, the Man of Steel. Superman's X-ray vision lets the Man of Steel see through walls unless, of course, they're made of lead. And now, thanks to the work of scientists at the Massachusetts Institute of Technology, humans can too. Well, almost. MIT's RF capture system uses shortwave radio signals to track movement through walls, and in experiments, scientists were able to identify 15 people through walls with up to 90% accuracy, tracking their movements with less than an inch. The system first gets the lay of the land and then tracks for the changes, as in those made by moving humans. The technology's initial applications will likely be in healthcare, as researchers hope to create a system that can monitor seniors who are at risk of falling, a project Superman would definitely support. Next up, teleportation like Nightcrawler. Bam! Scientists have been able to make particles teleport just like Nightcrawler. Welcome to the weird world of quantum teleportation. While researchers can't teleport matter across space through the magic of quantum entanglement, a process by which subatomic particles are linked and can communicate rapidly, even when separated at great distances, they can beam info from one place to another. So far, scientists have been able to teleport particles between distances of up to 90 miles. Someday they hope to create hack-proof quantum cybersecurity or quantum internet systems. A quantum internet could allow you to establish communications channels that are much more secure than what we have with the standard encryption protocols we use nowadays. Martin Stevens, a quantum optics researcher at the National Institute of Standards and Technology in Boulder, Colorado, told Live Science. Next up, super strength like the Hulk. If you've ever dreamed about having your own Hulk smash moment of super strength like us, a new high-tech suit of armor could make that dream a reality. Called the Tactical Assault Light Operator Suit, or TALOS, the suit promises to provide superhuman strength with greater ballistic protection, according to the U.S. Army. The robotic suit can also help humans carry greater loads, rendering them super strong. In addition to improving strength, the suit can make its wearer waterproof. The suit can make its wearer bulletproof via an exoskeleton made of magnetorological fluids that can change from liquid to solid in seconds. Even the Hulk would be impressed. Next up, shoot fire from your wrist like the Human Torch. If you've ever wanted to be like the Human Torch, this gadget's for you. It lets you shoot fireballs out of your hand. Well, from your wrist, really. The Pyro Fire Shooter straps to your wrist and can carry 4 fireballs worth of charge inside, while a remote you hold in your other hand activates the device. We can't recommend it for real crime fighting, but you should probably keep a bucket of water handy anyway. And finally, stick to walls like Spider-Man. Spider-Man may have no trouble climbing skyscrapers, but for the average human, such feats have remained the stuff of science fiction until now. Inspired by the sticky feet of geckos, the Pentagon has developed handheld paddles that allow humans to climb walls like Spider-Man. The paddles were developed to allow soldiers to gain access to higher ground in urban environments. At the same time, researchers at Stanford University created similar climbing paddles, also using gecko-inspired technology. Stanford's device consists of 2 plates covered with postage stamp-sized tiles covered in tiny rubber hairs. "I was the climber in the test," said researcher Elliot Hawks, a mechanical engineer at Stanford. "That was extremely exciting. To be able to climb glass felt a little bit magical. It feels like you're hooking this device onto a perfectly flat, smooth surface, and it doesn't feel possible." Anyway, this wraps up our video for today. Which superhero gadget are you most impressed with? Let us know in the comments down below. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel while you're at it. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.